My Auto Store, quality recycled OEM auto parts. VinTel, powered by elite recycler technologies. This week's VinTel demonstration features the 2024 Bronco Everglades. Here's a quick run-through of its features. This vehicle is part of the Sasquatch Package, which features 17-inch carbonized gray-painted alloy wheels with 35-inch BSW mud-terrain tires, electronic locking front and rear axles, 4.7 final drive ratio, high clear suspension, position-sensitive Bilstein, and a snorkel system. And it can drive through 3 feet of water. And now, here's a quick demonstration on how to use VinTel on the 2024 Bronco Everglades. Step 1. Turn on your ignition to start your vehicle. Step 2. Connect the VinTel to your vehicle's OBD port. This is usually located underneath the dashboard and steering wheel. You will be aware of a successful connection once the VinTel unit illuminates. Step 3. Open the VinTel application on your mobile device. When the VinTel unit is paired with the vehicle, it will allow you to receive a detailed diagnostic report to ensure optimal engine or transmission performance. To extend your standard 6-month warranty by an additional 2 months, submit a VinTel report to My Auto Store's customer service within 10 days of purchasing your auto part. This 2024 Bronco Everglades has now been officially VinTel tested. The engine and transmission are in good working condition and have been VinTel tested. In the event of buying or selling your vehicle, you can produce a VinTel report to demonstrate to potential buyers or sellers that the vehicle has undergone independent VinTel testing recently and is in excellent working condition. VinTel, powered by elite recycler technologies. My Auto Store, quality recycled OEM auto parts.